mechekango habwe kintu ekibiri mpondo hano bwera no bareba their neighbors we are all neighboring Congo.
RDC obuyabanagambo hona Sky TV ahabwerinzo buryo mu district ya Rubirizi eherire Queen Elizabeth National Park hamwe n'enyanja ibiri ya George hamwe na Edward eziherire hangi rya Congo nagira ngo ba ADF babasa kwija kubatahirira ubwo bari gukoresa imyanya ebiri ogwa Queen Elizabeth National Park hamwe n'enyanja zibiri okwesherekamo.
So ekikubabuse ni tuba tutari safe konka okurugerera Rubirizi district abo kuba niyo ndimu kandi we amwe representing the head of state. Security is tight kandi umubyo kwerinda twine brigade 309 brigade eri kwebembwa Lieutenant Colonel George Kazara kandi itwe nka security nitukoragana. There is interpersonal relationship among the security organs in the district, police, OUA, UPDF hamwe na marines twena Tukwatanise kumwe.
RDC Bruno yashobora ngo gahati district ya Rubirizi ekwatanise nabe byo kwerinda nka police hamwe na UPDF bashirwa mu nshonda zona okurebeka ngo barwanisa abantu aba
togize mu bwerinzo bw'amani abukwa ibirebi no kuryama turi kuryama kureka security nagamba ahabe yo kwerinda konka security yo kubanza no bwerinzo bwo kubanza niba umuntu waburekera
yayongera yahameza cumwe kunubaza kuteka hebe kweto ebirije kubana bikorwa bo kwerinda burucoro kurgashahina nuko yashaba abaturage okurekeraho kuzerero mbwire bwecoro
agapika ziti shayina n'ikicweka tutukwenda abantu mu mabara okurugirira hatembereze tutahiremo abantu mu mabara shayina n'ikicweka bona babe batakiri mu mabara
bazamugezaho kutekaho patrol ya kabiri shemeye kwerinda kandi Tukwatanise na polisi bareba ko umuntu utakumanya mu kicweka kagezaho kumbuza gusanirizo naki niba kwani burabura kayicerera polisi ikabasa kutwasa umushongejo
abireho kwerarekerera ahishumire rya Katunguru Seed School mu Rubirizi district ryo mu Queen Elizabeth National Park kandi abazahambu cyaba babasa kurtahirira
nitwe umucanga citu kine cya Rubirizi mu Katunguru tuno kwerarekera mwe tusaba government etuho bukumi abana bitu abari mu somere rya secondary rya Tukwatanise Seed School.
Some parents are scared because the children rang them. The other day, yesterday, there was some information that there were some two strangers who were asking about Tukwatanise Seed Secondary School.
Shanjara beji nabashoma kurunji kandi umukuru w'ishomereri ndiya nabo Christopher nashobora kugira ngo byo kwerinda nabaho bukumi oburukumara.
Some of the children rang their parents that they were scared, but they assured them that the security is there to take charge. So the parents are informed that at least their children are safe, for the security is on top of the situation. The security at Tukwatanise Seed Secondary School is okay. We have just concluded a scouting camp which started on Thursday and ended yesterday in the afternoon. And we have been in touch with the security organs. Is also Major Katura is also in the know, and also the OC station of this place at UA headquarters and the IO of that station.
Gashako Sharifu Murunji ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga
yo eminyeto